Purpose and content overview of this channel and video. This declaration confirms the content and fundamental principles of our ZiiGaat Audio YouTube channel, which conforms to all the principles of EDSA educational content and is primarily aimed at providing valuable information about the technical characteristics of various products. The channel uses music samples as a visual aid to demonstrate these characteristics in their intended context. Music samples are incorporated to enhance the viewer's understanding of the products being demonstrated. The use of repetition allows for effective comparison and evaluation of product features, thus providing clarity and depth to the technical insights shared. In other words, to compare the sound quality of two pairs of headphones, we would use the same audio track. If we wanted to compare a specific pair of headphones with 20 other pairs, we would need to play the audio track 20 times. This would allow the listener to understand how the sound of the headphones being compared differs from that of the others, and thus choose the most appropriate pair. What the user will see when starting any video: two pairs of headphones will alternate on the video, and the soundtrack of each of these headphones will be recorded. That is, the sound recorded in the video being played is recorded from headphones through specialized devices, and the video shows exactly the headphones from which the sound is being played. For more information on the Declaration of ZiiGaat Audio channel content, follow the link in the description of this video.
I'm a puppet on a string, Tracy Island, time traveling diamond, could have shaped heartaches to come to find you for in some velvet morning. Years too late, she's a silver lining, Lone Ranger riding through an open space. In my mind when she's not right there beside me, I go crazy, cause here isn't where I wanna be, and satisfaction feels like a distant memory. And I can't help myself, all I wanna ever say is, are you mine? Well, are you mine? Are you mine? Are you mine? Oh,
the desperate ones looking for the mark. We are the lonely ones left out here in the dark. We bought our tickets but we don't have a seat, and now we're just slaves to the beat. We are the tired ones, tired of too much sleep, tired of searching for the words we can't repeat. Don't mean to scare you, but it's getting too warm, and I think I'm gonna move to the door. You see, we are burning, this is real. We're on fire, but we can't feel a thing. We were promised more than we could take. Everybody out to fire escape.
Midday dawning, I wonder why they hush for me. Sun is shining, I don't feel that it's shining for me. I look around, nothing seems to have changed. This dirty town, it hasn't somehow rearranged. I hear your voice call my name in my heart. There's pouring rain. It ain't pretty. No, it ain't pretty. No, it ain't pretty. But she said, hold on, leave me. I would glance again.
the second you delay. Play the key, it lies in your biology. Rising up the temperature, useless technology. Park the car and walk under the stars. So goddamn afraid to let down your guard. You can see I'm talking, but me, that's just what it is like in the wildfire.